on. Promise me you and that purple thing will stop prying into that stuff.
I don't know what you're talking about because you won't tell me!
Why would a worker drone... Was she eating them?
Aren't you worried? We have no idea what we even are!
The humans here thought they could understand it. All they did was spread it.
Now the soldiers found its way back to finish the job.
Please!
Thanks for clearing the way on this planet too. Let's eat.